Hello class and welcome to our fourth lecture series on managerial accounting, and I'm your instructor Jamal Haider. So today we are starting a new chapter, a job order costing. It is chapter 3. I would be uploading the textbook material on our both platform WeChat and Blackboard. So let's just talk about our first learning objective, which is distinguish between process costing and job order costing and identify companies that would use each costing method. So the costing systems, we have process costing and we have job order costing. So in process costing, a company is basically making a single product. So in single product, they are applying different costing processes. So it means product cost is going to be easily calculated. So the number of units you have, because you are just producing one unit, and all you need to do, just divide the cost by the number of units produced, you would be having the product cost. So due to one unit of product, which is indistinguishable from the other units of the product, so identical nature of each unit enables assigning the same average cost per unit. So in this case, we do not have to worry about the manufacturing overhead. We do not have to worry about, how much, period cost associated to this product and how much product cost associated to this product, because we are just making one unit and all units are identical. Now, different flavors arrive when we use job order costing. So the examples of process costing are, we are, for example, paper manufacturing company. So we have their warehouses. We have Renault Aluminium, in which they are refining aluminium. And then we have Coca-Cola, especially mixing and bottling beverages. So that unit, which is producing the same, bottles, bottling units. So they are producing the same bottle. So they are applying process costing over there. So like I told you that when we add different flavors, it means we are producing different products. When we are producing different products, it means, now here is a little bit difficulty, that how much cost is associated to this batch or this type of product, because products are not different, they are not identical. We are producing different products. So due to the unique nature of each job requires, so tracing, allocating cost of each job is a little bit different and also sometimes difficult as well. For this kind of stuff, you have to maintain the cost for each job. When we start doing some examples and go further into the next slides, and you will, realize what we are really talking about. So the examples of process costing are, for example, Boeing aircraft manufacturing. We have Bechtel International, which is large-scale construction. We have Walt Disney Studios, especially for movie production. So in that case, when you are making different movies, so every movie is a new project. Every story is different. Every character over there is different. Right? Some movies are for 2 hours, some are 1.5 hours, 2.5 hours. Right? Similarly, the construction, every building is unique. Right? Similarly, with aircraft manufacturing, they are making 707, 777, 748, private jets, right? Commercial jets. So when we have different production items and the unique nature of product, then we use job order costing. So when you compare the process costing with the job order costing, so remember, number of jobs in process costing, there is going to be single process costing product. Or if we talk about the products, in job order costing, we are having different products, and in process costing, we are having only single product. So in job order costing, cost is accumulated by the jobs. For example, in furniture manufacturing unit, a worker who has this carpenter skills, he's making sofas, beds, dressings, stools, some chairs, some tables, right? So it means the same skill set is going to use or is going to be applied on different products. So that's why cost is going to be accumulated by job. How much time he spent on making these chair, how much time he spent making this sofa, how much time spent is making on tables, right? So in that case, cost is going to be accumulated. Whereas in process costing, the cost is going to be accumulated by department wise. Okay, in this department work for 8 hours a day, and in this 8 hours, for example, 100 chairs are going to be produced. So you just divide all the cost of this department by 100 chairs, you can easily accumulate that cost, right? So average costing is computed by each job. Whereas in process costing, average cost can be easily find out total cost divided by number of units, that's it, right? So if you understand the concept of process costing and job order costing, I have a quick check for you. So all of you guys, I need your participation. Here, let me read the question here. So which of the following companies would be likely to use job order costing rather than process costing? So we have A, B, C, D, E. Also can be one or more here in these options. So your time starts now. Junpyo, what do you think about the Scott Paper Company for clinics? Job order or process costing?
I think I need some time.
Okay.
I think it's job order costing.
Think about that.
Sorry, isn't it like a process costing because it's one unit produced, like a single product produced in many units?
Exactly. This is a process costing. Paper company for clinics. So they are just making paper for the other company only. They are producing papers, right? Process costing. They are not making different products in the same department. Architects. Every architecture is unique, right? Every house is unique. Every commercial activity, commercial architecture is unique. So B would be job order costing. Hymns for ketchup. Subhan, Ali.
I think it would be job order costing.
Yeah, I think so.
Only for ketchup.
Process costing?
Process costing.
Process costing. They are just making ketchup. That's it. They're the ketchup unit. That's it. We have sausage, Heinz sausage. We have Heinz chocolate, sauce, liquid chocolates, and other, brands as well. But only for ketchup, they are applying
Sorry, sir.
process costing.
Architects is job order costing or process costing?
Job order costing, not process costing.
Okay.
Because every house, every construction is unique. If the question says that architect with the same type of construction, then that would be a process costing. But normally it doesn't happen. D, caterer for a wedding reception. Process or job order costing?
job order costing.
Job order.
Why is that?
Process
Because
costing?
No, it's job order.
no, like every wedding is unique.
Exactly.
demand will
Number
differ.
of guests can be different. The wedding atmosphere can be different. Places can be different. Wedding ambience can be different. There are going to be different requirements. Some like flowers, some like special kind of flowers, different kind of dress, chair setting, food is different, right? So every wedding is different. So we have a different, products in catering services for wedding reception. So D would be job order costing. The last one is builder of commercial fishing vessel.
Job order.
Junpyo, Subhan, Coco, comment about it.
Process?
So when you say vessel is like a boat, right? Or the
For the fishing, commercial fishing vessel.
I don't know if they deal with several companies, then is job order like costing. I don't know. Might not be the same.
Junpyo,
Job order.
it is process costing. Why? Because they are building commercial fishing vessels. They are making the same type of model for fishing purposes. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Sir, I have a
Every vessel
question.
is same, right? If they are saying for luxury yachts, every luxury yacht is different, right? Or but the commercial fishing vessel, they are same product, same kind of facilities, everything is same. So they are applying process costing. Good.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
What about, for example, like car companies, for example, BMW or Mercedes? Are they process costing also?
They are job order costing because they are making different models, SUVs, e-car, electronic version, electronic cars, then trucks, then different sedan, different models, right? So in that case, they
Okay,
are
then,
job order costing.
and if a company is just like concentrating on one product, it's
Yes.
process costing.
It's
Okay,
a
I got
process
it.
costing, right? It's a
Okay.
process costing. If only one model and one thing, that's it, no modification, no other products, then we can say that it is process costing.
Sir, then if it